till I get up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be a to-do look, which means a look that you can create for your daily routine. You can use this look for your office purpose, and even college going girls can do this look to their college. And if you are in a different profession, you can use that look for that purpose as well. So let's get into the video. So guys, I'm all set to create the look. So let me first show you what all products we need. The first product that we'll need will be a primer. I'm going to use this LAKME Absolute Primer. The second product that we'll need is a concealer. For a daily look, we don't need to use a foundation. We'll just apply the concealer. I'm going to use this Note Concealer, which is the shade 02 Natural Beige. For our eyes, we'll only need an eyeliner, a mascara and an eyelash curler, and this will complete our eye look. If you want, then you can use an eyeshadow as well. And for your lips, you can use any lip shade which you want for that day or which goes with your attire. Today, I'm going to use this LAKME Absolute 101 Sinful Cherry shade. So first, we'll prime our face. Once your primer is all set, then we'll apply the concealer. As I already mentioned that for a daily look, you don't need to use the foundation. You can directly apply your concealer over your primer. Also apply a little bit on your neck so that your face color matches your body color. So guys, I'm all done with my concealer. One product which I forgot to mention in the beginning was a translucent powder. I used the COLORBAR, which is in the shade 001 Beige. So guys, I'm all done with my face. Now let's move towards the eyes. The first thing that I'm going to apply is my eyeliner. I'm all done with my eyeliner, you can see. Next we are going to do our lashes, for which we are going to curl them and then we'll apply the mascara. We'll just use the spoolie and shape it a bit, and we'll be all done. If you want to use an eyeshadow for your daily look, you can, but I don't really prefer that because while going to your office or college, you don't want to really show that you have done makeup. So I don't prefer to use an eyeshadow. Next, we are going to do our lips. Guys, my lips are also done, and now I'm going to complete this look with a little bit of blush on the cheeks. So for my blush, I'm going to use this Sugar palette, which is in the shade 02 Pink Pinnacle. So guys, our daily makeup look is all created. As I mentioned, you can use this look for your office. Even college going girls can use this look for their college. And if you are in a different profession, you are a teacher, you are a lecturer, or whichever profession, you can use this look. So let's get ready for the office.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun